So not only do we have the Porsche, we have a freaking 50-something Mercedes SL Gullwing. Are you freaking kidding me? Dude, I have never seen one of those in the wild. What the hell? Man, there's some stuff on the road tonight. What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Gold Garage. We're getting on the interstate to head to Atlanta. And I'm driving the mazda5. Man, this thing is slicker now shit, man. To be a cheap-ass car, this thing goes down the interstate like a freaking missile, y'all. Whoa, hey. Golly. Come on, people. Get it together. I just slammed on their brakes in front of me, man. Anyway, we'll get her up to speed here and you can see what I'm talking about. I mean, she rolls. Now I'm just feathering the pedal. Just barely feathering it. No problems whatsoever. I don't even know what this engine, I don't even know what's in this thing. I have no clue. I just know it's 4 cylinders. And it'll roll. It'll roll on out. I mean, I had it up to 100 coming home from Chattanooga. And I mean, it took nothing to get there. So I'm headed down to Atlanta to work at my dad's shop this weekend. That's fantastic because it's always good money. But, you know, I'm also always pissing blood by the time I get home on Sunday evenings. Because it's pretty damn hard work. And my kidneys don't like it. So anyway, but I just wanted to get a little freeway clip of the Mazda5, 221,000 miles she turned over. And let's just cruise for a minute and soak it all in. Just soak it all in. She's a little cream puff. I got her for sale for $3,250. I'll take $3,000, you know. And this is a hell of a lot of car for that. I mean, you know, I know it's got a lot of miles, but there is seriously nothing wrong with this thing except it's got a little bit of a sticky driver's window. You have to kind of help it up a little bit, but once you get it going, it takes on off and rolls on up. So I'm not going to worry about fixing that. Somebody will have to just do that themselves, or just do like I do, just pull it and then press the button. But yeah, let's see, what are we rolling? We're kind of a weird speed right here, about 88. Turning about 3,400 RPM. And yeah, it just feels like it's got plenty of power. This is a 5-speed automatic. And yeah, it just does a great job. Great job. Alpine stereo that came with it sounds really, really good. The little speakers in this car, shoot, they jam out. Air conditioning, you know, nice and cold. Got it set on about 60. It also has rear air. So yeah, stay nice and cool in here. The only thing I wish this little thing had is I wish it had the leather heated seat sunroof package like the other one that was there the other day. The one that I told y'all, I think I told y'all, it was beat down. I mean, the seats were shredded. It was filthy. Dents all over it. Now, it had a lot less miles, but it was not well maintained and taken care of like this one was. And it actually sold for $300 cheaper than this one. But if it had all those things, shoot, I would consider keeping this little car for a while. But I say that about all of them, don't I? That's 3,500 on the damn nose RPM. I got a Corvette coming up hot in my rear view mirror. Or is that, y'all, I don't know. That may be a Ferrari. It may be a Ferrari. I don't fucking know. I'm going to have to get over here just so I can see. But with me running 90, I'm the rabbit right now. Dude, that thing has quad bulbs in each headlamp, so 8 bulbs. That's gotta be a Ferrari. I don't know. We'll find out here shortly. Oh, he's gonna try and pass me on the right. I gotta tap the brakes. No, that's a fucking Porsche. Macan Cayman. Yeah, no 911. A new one. Why you asking? I like that tag. Why you asking? I don't know. 911 Carrera S. That's a high dollar car right there, isn't it, folks? Big money from fucking, where's he from? Tennessee? I thought that was a Michigan plate at first. From Tennessee. Looks like maybe the Nashville area. Who knows? We might have us a country music star. That's a beautiful car, though. A lot of traffic this Friday afternoon. Jeez Louise. Playing slot cars now here. Alright guys, well y'all get the idea. 2009 Mazda 5, little wagon, man. This thing's a little dream machine for the miles and the money. You can't beat it. Somebody come by this thing, or if you know somebody in the South that needs good, reliable, cheap transportation, I mean, this damn thing will be bulletproof. Time and chain engine, transmission shifts perfect. It's got a tremendous Carfax. Send them my way. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see y'all with the next one.